Here are 5 things we love about 627 Princeton Place Northwest. First, this home is an entertainer's delight. You get an open main level with great flow and a backyard that is perfect for gatherings, grilling, or hosting friends. Second, the kitchen is beautifully renovated with modern finishes and all the features people want today. Third, you have a fully renovated 1-bedroom apartment on the lower level. It currently has great tenants paying $2,000 a month, which helps offset your mortgage right away. Fourth, you get off-street parking. That alone is a huge bonus in DC. And fifth, you are in the heart of Park View. You are close to the recreation center, a growing list of restaurants and neighborhood favorites like Hook Hall, and near the Old Soldiers Home redevelopment, which will bring even more value to the area. I'm Troy Patterson with the Spera Group at TTR Sotheby's. If you want a private tour or more details, send me a message and let's get you into your next home.